So it locks and unlocks, the handle works, but somehow this feels loose. So I've managed to get the door open, but I don't know what to do next. So I discovered that this was the offending part here. This little white clip had broken. So took the lock off, give it a good free up. Got some new clips off eBay thanks to a link from Richard on the T4 Facebook page, and these are the little clips. So I'm going to replace them all while I'm at it. Easy job to do, really. So after putting the back clip on, just need to put this one back in position. I think I'm going to have to replace that one as well. The proof is in the pudding. Let's try it. Open the door. Yay! And it closes much sweeter as well. Fantastic. Good job done.